Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another F1 Charlie video. Today we're reviewing the TurboTax 2023. I believe it is a Amazon bundle this time. So let's get into it. So you can see here, so we have a Yuki Tsunoda. It's coming in a sleeve, which is pretty neat. Yuki Tsunoda limited edition, diamond limited edition. Pretty cool. Then also within that we have 9 packs. These ones I've already opened, so they're easy, ready to go. These ones have not yet cracked. These are still sealed. So let's see these 4 that I've already cracked open, but I've not exactly looked what's inside. So the first pack. So straight away, I don't know why these are backwards, but they are. So we have a Superstar Pink Parallel Nico Hülkenberg, a Superstar Carlos Sainz, a Stars of Tomorrow Victor Martins, Hero Dennis Haug, a Pit Crew Mercedes, the car for Williams 2023, a Charles Leclerc Speedster, Oscar Piastri Hero, Team Joe Alpine, and a Fast Pits Strategy card. Onto the second pack with a limited edition inside. So this one we're back to normal. So we have a live action Yuki Tsunoda, PSA Nico Hülkenberg, I don't know, I'm busy driving, a Tommy Smith Hero, a Epic Moment Lando Norris, a Charles Leclerc Speedster, a Sergio Perez Hero card, a George Russell Epic Moment, a Nico Solovo Hero card, the normal parallel for Nico Hülkenberg Superstar, Pierre Gasly 2022 Social Media Superstar, and a gold limited edition Lewis Hamilton. Now then, that will go with my platinums that I've already got. Still missing the GOAT limited edition, and we're still missing the diamond, no, not diamond, the platinum, I believe. Platinum card for Verstappen and the Oracle Red Bull one. So let's hope we can get it in this packet. Starting off with the Team Joe for Alfa Romeo, the Stat Swap Strategy Overtake World card, Clement Novalak Hero, the Team Principal Andrea Stella for McLaren, the Pit Crew for Williams Racing, Hero for Zach O'Sullivan, Mario Boya Hero, the cards stick together, Felipe Drugovich 2022 FIA Formula 2 Champion, the Max Verstappen Platinum card, so that's what will go with our golds. So now we're just missing the rare ones for both of Max and Verstappen. So as of tomorrow, Clement Novalak, and a Yuki Tsunoda Gladiator Paradise. Pretty cool. Next pack, we're backwards again. We've got Sergio Perez 2022 Driver of the Season Award, and a Lance Stroll Superstar, George Russell Live Action, a Hero for Franco Colapinto, a Epic Moment Max Verstappen, Team Principal Frederick Vasseur, a Hero for Jack Doohan, the Speedster for Roy Nissany, Team Joe for Haas, and a Nigel Mansell Legend card. It's my first Legend card of the entire series. Pretty cool. I really like what they've done with these. Amazing. It's quite a good card design, so that will be going there. On to the last pack that I've already opened. So we have the 2022 Superstar Social Media Award, unfortunately again. Got Max Verstappen Superstar, a live action George Russell card, an Isaac Hadjar Speedster, the Alex Albon Qualifying Master, the Sergio Perez Speedster, Ido Cohen, Hero. It's Friday then, PSA announcement, live on house. Live action, Valtteri Bottas. And a milestone moment for Nick de Vries, who scores points in his F1 debut. So that rounds off the packs that I've already opened. So now we are opening packs in which I have not opened already. So let's see what I do. Oh, we have a legend at the back. We have a live action Valtteri Bottas. A hero for Joseph Maria Marti, even. Esteban Ocon live action. A qualifying master Charles Leclerc. The Epic Moment 2022 Max Verstappen. Hero Oliver Bearman. George Russell Speedster. Carlos Sainz Formula 1 2022 race winner. Oscar Piastri Next Gen. This is my first Next Gen, and first impressions, they're pretty cool. Neat design. And then we have a pink parallel Michael Schumacher legend card. Rainbow it looks like as well, although my other one is rainbow as well, so I believe these are all rainbow. But pink parallel, so that is amazing as well. So that's 2 legends to add to the collection. First pack was not so amazing. Still looking for the signature style and a numbered card. And straight away we get a George Russell pink parallel. Amazing. Stars of Tomorrow, Oliver Bearman. Nico Hulkenberg Superstar. The hero Fernando Alonso. Hero Kalen Frederick. The Max Verstappen Speedster. The Epic Moment Lando Norris. Yeah, not bad for a broken man. PSA announcement for Esteban Ocon. Agent strategy card and a Nick de Vries Speedster card. So far, a pretty good pull, I must say. We have the Best Overtake 2022 Lewis Hamilton. Stars of Tomorrow Enzo Fittipaldi. Speedster Fernando Alonso. Lewis Hamilton live action. Car was a rocket ship all weekend, unbelievable. Max Verstappen PSA announcement. Live action Charles Leclerc. Oliver Goethe hero. Tommy Smith hero. Valtteri Bottas hero card. Live action card, sorry. And a qualified master Kevin Magnussen. On to the last pack of the day. It is a Red Bull at the back, so let's see if this brings us some good luck. Hopefully it will. A Roy Nissany Speedster. Team Duo again for Haas. I think we've got about 5 of these now. Live action Esteban Ocon. Oliver Gray hero card. Definitely not for him. Live action Alex Albon. Live action Sergio Perez. Hero for Isaac Hadjar again, unfortunately. Most Grand Prix starts in history. Milestone moment for Fernando Alonso. Stars of Tomorrow, Richard Bachou. And a superstar Sergio Perez. So in all, that was a pretty good pack opening, with the best 2, I'd say, being these 2, plus the other pink parallels and that George Russell, the Oscar Piastri Next Gen, and that Paradise card for Yuki Tsunoda, as well as Superstar Nico Hulkenberg. So guys, if you did enjoy that video, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Cheers. See ya.